How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on the 2018 to 2024 Toyota Camry. So you're going to go ahead and open up your glove box. So looking in our compartment, you can see we have this cover right here. And if you look, there's a tab on this right hand side. You're just going to push that tab over and remove this cover. So now we have this other cover we're going to have to take off. But coming to the right side of this cover, you have this tab and this tab. So now we can remove this. We'll pull on that tab. On that tab. You can see this cover just pops right off. And we can just grab our filter and pull it right out. I'm going to use this Bosch HEPA filter. If you'd like to pick one of these up, I'll make sure I put the link down in the description. Remove the old filter from this case. It's pretty easy. Just grab it and pull it up. Install our new filter. We'll start with this side and get it pushed into place. So make sure your arrow's pointed up and slide it back in. Same with this cover. Make sure your arrow's pointed up. Line everything up. And it clips right back in. And for our last cover, you see those two tabs on the left hand side. Those will go behind. And then you just push this in. And that finishes this job up on how to replace your cabin air filter. It's a very easy job. Takes about 5 minutes to do this. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.